Hello you all. What I did here, we had about an inch of snow Monday. Yesterday was nice, got to 55. Well, today is not as warm, but it's 50 right now. Let's just check my watch. Anyway, I'm doing some maintenance on my mowers. There's all my leaves I gotta get rid of. Anyway, working on my mowers here. This little 30-inch Toro, and you noticed the bearing is gone. The bearing is in my bag here. I've never had one do this before. So the bearing just crapped out in the middle of it. Hold on, I gotta put the camera down so I can open the bag so you can see it. Here's the old one. I've never had a bearing go out one of these before. I was mowing a week ago, and that's what came out for me from mower. Stopped mowing, the blades started clanking, clank, 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 you know what they do. Anyway, so I don't know if I need new blades, but I got this part of the way. The front one, this one here, screws into the mower deck. Ouch, that hurt. And this one here screws into this plate here, so I got to take off this bolt here, that bolt there, and that bolt there, and take the whole plate off. And there's no way I can get a wrench under there to hold the bolts underneath. Anyway, once I get it off, let alone getting it back on there. So I got to do all that fun stuff. And here's the new one. It cost me 30 bucks at the Lumber Supply store. They gave me that. They gave me a new bushing for the bottom. Then I lost it. And they gave me a cap. That's a receipt. Let's put that in my bag. Here's the brass bushing they gave you. It goes like so. Like that. See, it goes in there like that. This side goes up. And the cap, which you put on here. Then you put that cap on there like that. It seals it all. But I'm missing all that on that one. So I will finish taking this apart. I took off the cover the other day, found out what I needed, went to the parts store. That was last Friday. And then it snowed. And I've just been plumb lazy this year. I ain't even got the oil change this thing. I did 2 yard cleanups. I got another one scheduled for tomorrow. It's been so dry, I can't even aerate. I know there's guys out there right now aerating. I don't know how they're doing it being so dry, but they do. And then I'm gonna get that done. Once I get this apart, I will show you. I'm not gonna film it because I gotta be all on the ground, and I don't have to move the camera, and you ain't gonna see anything anyway, because my hands are gonna be in the way. So let me take it off, and I'll show you once I get it off. Then I will finish filming it with it on there. Take it easy. Okay guys, got the old one out. Little nut. Plate. Here's the old one. 3 pieces. All gone. So, anyway, there's the bearing, what's left of it. Okay. Anyway, so here's the new one over here. Here's the new bushing. Put my camera down so you can see what the heck I'm doing here. Anyway, there's the new bearing, new bushing. That goes in there like that. And this goes like this. And this goes through there like that. Like that. Let me make sure I got that bushing on there right. Yep, it's right. Only going, well, it's tapered, so it can only go in one way. So I mean, you can't screw with that. I guess you turned around so you're not seeing anything, aren't you? See the back of my plow. Okay, guys. So here's the new one. It only goes on one way, guys. Okay, I was facing the right way. Anyway, the only way to go on one way. Bushing goes in there like that, and the bolt. Here's the bolt. Goes through there like that, and through here like this, and here's the nut. Screw the puppy on there. Nylon nut. I don't know if you can see the nylon nut there. So it won't. I mean, it'll vibrate loose, but it'll usually stop right there. And I got to reverse the direction on my speedy wrench here. I love this little Milwaukee tool. Wonderful time saver for the ratchets. Okay, I'll double check it with the ratchet and the socket. That only tightens down so tight. Well, that's about as tight as I can get it. See, she spins on there like that. Just ain't that pretty? Anyway, I'll get back together and see what it looks like, guys. Hold on. Bear with me, guys. I'm filming here. Okay, guys, I'm back. Okay, my on-off switch here broke off when I temporarily put these little clips on so I can shut the motor off. I'll get a new one of those eventually. Sports design, that switch should have been mounted on the inside, not the outside, because you hit on everything, break it off. Anyway, had to adjust the drive. This bracket came loose. Anyway, I don't know how it came loose, but anyway, my drive, it stopped driving. Got that fixed. Okay, now back to what I was working on was the pulley. I had to take this pulley here crapped out on me, if you remember right. The one back here. I got it replaced. I couldn't get the belt on. I've forgotten how. I had to take this pulley off and screw this all the way in. And just for anybody who's listening, when you put a belt on, a new belt, roughly about an inch gap between here, I get my camera, here to here, roughly about an inch gap. I put this pulley off. I'm making my pliers off. Okay, see, I got a little. I gotta change the oil, to change the spark plug. I gotta pull the spark plug out, see what kind of spark plug is in there, because I have this. I got this last year, or 2 years ago. 2 years ago, or was it last year? Anyway, I can't remember. It's only about a year old. That pulley should not have crapped out like it is. I think it was a bad bearing in there from the factory. I mean, it wasn't that. It's only 30 bucks. Wasn't that expensive for me to fix. So that's done. I'll put the cover back on. I can put the little caps on the pulleys. I got those in the bag. I got them over there. Those just snap on. They're no big. I think it just keeps the dirt out from building up, getting inside the bearing, screwing it up. That one on the back side did not have the cap. Well, the pulley fell off, so I don't know if the cap came out then or what. But anyway, she's ready to go for tomorrow. She's filthy. She needs a bath. I have not done jack squat to my motors this year. I haven't washed them. I still got my walker. Let me get rid of my trailer. I still got my walker. I haven't pulled out yet. It has a flat tire on the back end underneath the hopper. Gotta get that replaced. Here's my big commercial Toro. It crapped out, so I bought the 30-inch one, when this one crapped out. The only drawbacks about that one is this one has a big old 1 gallon gas tank. That has barely 6 ounces of gas. I don't know. I can only mow by 2 lawns before I have to put more gas into it. This one's a beefier, heavier model than that one, but I started using that one just because it's lighter and quicker. Here's my walker. It needs a bath. I got a new deck out in the backyard. But I haven't got my mowers out because it's been snowing. It snowed again Monday. It's snowing again, supposed to have snow again Friday. I got tires for my mower. My trailer I can't put on. My tire on the back on the hopper is flat. I don't know if this thing will even start. Let's see if it'll even start. Oh, my goodness. Okay, put the choke on here. Choke. There's that. Key. Let's see if she runs. Goes right up. Okay, she's a little last year's gas. I gotta get off my mower now. Anyway, I do got a new deck out in the backyard. I got put on this because this one's wore out. It broke in here. It broke on that side there. It doesn't sit right. I jammed it up, bent the pins. The deck got jammed, so I had to lift the deck up, and I got it stuck. As you see, my dents there and there. So anyway, I got a new deck. It came with everything you see here, blades included, and so I'll just take this one out. I'm gonna pull the drive off of here, this part here off of this mower, and I'll pull some of the other bits and pieces off, and I'll throw it to the scrap yard to get rid of it. The new one even came with new tires. So, it came with everything you see there, minus my chute covers for the mowers. I gotta take this out and put it on my Surfmaster. Anyway, that's it, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. Day and times of a long guy. I'm just having a grand old time. I have not been in the mood this year to even mow. But I mean, you know, I don't mind mowing. I love mowing. I'm not in the mood to work my mowers. Anyway, all my parts and pieces are here. I got to put all that stuff away. Mower's ready to go. I'll put it back in the trailer. I got to pull the spark plug out, and I'm going to change the oil before I do that. And the other two mowers, I'll get to them hopefully within the next week. I don't need either one of them yet. I got to pull my aerator out, and I haven't even done that yet. So y'all take it easy. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think. I will piece these two together. Take it easy, guys. Bye.